Hey, to create a reminder in your calendar on Nokia 105 from 2023, first of all go into the menu. From here you will have to navigate into your calendar, open it, and now let's pick the date that you actually want to create this reminder. So if you want to change between the months, you can actually do this by using these buttons. And when you want to move to the right or left, just use this button. So let's say that we are going for the last day of the April, and now click on this option button. Now click to go to add the reminder. Here you can give it the name and click OK. You can turn on and off the alarm. So let's say that I want to turn it on, and pick the alarm time. So let's say that I'm gonna add the reminder on the last day of the April on the 8 a.m. So click OK to confirm, click on AM or PM, and it was added. And as you can see, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.